In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike efficiently in just 5 minutes. Wrike is a powerful online project management tool that can help you organize and streamline your work processes, whether you're part of a small team or a large organization. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a good grasp on how to set up your workspace in Wrike so you can get started right away. First things first, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Wrike and hit Enter. This will bring up the official Wrike website. Once you're there, you'll notice two primary options: log in or try Wrike for free. If you're new to Wrike, you might want to explore the software by starting a free trial. Otherwise, you can simply log in with your existing credentials to access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll want to create spaces. Now, spaces are the top-level containers in Wrike designed to help you organize your teams or departments. Think of these as dedicated areas where you can collect all the relevant projects and tasks for any given segment of your work. Creating spaces ensures your team has a clearly defined structure for managing their projects. Next up, within each space, you'll want to create folders and projects. Folders allow you to further organize the work by categorizing different initiatives, themes, or types of work. Once the folders are in place, you can create specific projects within them. A project in Wrike is used to manage distinct initiatives and can include a set of tasks, deadlines, and team members. This hierarchical structure is essential for detailed organization and efficient project management. Now, within any given project, you'll start creating tasks. Each task can be fleshed out with details such as a description, who is responsible for the task, and when it's due. Providing clear details helps everyone involved understand what's expected, and assigning the right team member ensures accountability for completion. For those larger tasks that might seem overwhelming, Wrike allows you to break them down into smaller, more manageable subtasks. This functionality can greatly enhance your team's ability to track progress on complex projects, ensuring that no details slip through the cracks. Attaching files and documents directly to tasks is a breeze in Wrike, which means all your vital information is easily accessible and organized in one place. Whether it's a project brief, a spreadsheet, or visuals, attaching these elements can ensure everyone has what they need right at their fingertips. To visualize and track the progress of your projects, Wrike provides a variety of views, including lists, boards, and Gantt charts. These diverse perspectives allow you to see your project's status at a glance and plan accordingly. Whether you prefer a high-level overview or detailed timelines, Wrike's views have got you covered. Finally, collaboration is key. You can invite your colleagues into your Wrike workspace, allowing them to join and contribute to ongoing projects. By enabling real-time collaboration, you ensure your team is always on the same page, making project management smoother and more effective. And that's a concise guide to getting started with Wrike. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering project management and enhancing productivity within your team. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!